So it was time for us to say goodbye to the beautiful coral coast of WA. We were lucky enough to get a few days there without wind, and we spent them snorkeling at all of the different beaches this incredible coastline had to offer. As hard as it was for us to leave, we have someone very special waiting for us, and now he's only a few days' drive away.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode. We are in Carnarvon today and we're heading to a station called something that I can't pronounce.
I don't think I can. Warrimal. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I've been loving the station stays lately. The last couple that we've stayed at have been awesome, so I'm really, really excited.
We've just left the Carnarvon caravan park called Capricorn Holiday Park.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice and small, there's not too many people, and it's quirky as well.
It's probably one of our favourite caravan parks in Australia, so
Yeah.
definitely give that a go if you're
Consider
heading.
it.
I mean, I was going to say if you're heading up, but Carnarvon in itself is a really nice place to stay. We noticed yesterday we were driving past the waterfront, and
It's
I feel like people just use it as sort of a on the way area, but it's really, really nice.
And also, fun fact of the day, I had to Google this one because I was like, what is Carnarvon known for? The town produces 80% of Western Australia's fruit and vegetable. They also have a thriving scallop, prawn and crab industry here. So that's pretty interesting, guys.
Yes.
It's a pretty cool place. There's banana trees everywhere. So anyway.
Yes, that reminds me. That is the one thing that we are going to do before we leave. My last big thing I'm going to get, because I did miss the big banana in Queensland, I got to get the big banana here.
Ready? Go. You're not in the middle of it. You have to be in the middle of it.
I am
Move over that way.
You're not in the middle of me.
Ready? Go.
Wait, which way do I start? That way.
Go. Beautiful. Let's get out of here.
I wonder if it's even going to work.
We've made it to the station and the river is flowing like crazy.
It's still a really nice spot though, even without a river. It's going to be a good place to relax for the day, I think. We've even got trees, so I can set up the hammock, which I'm really excited
Set
about.
up the old hammock, mate.
And
Someone's got one set up down there, actually.
Oh, what, like right down there?
Yeah. It's pretty cheap here. It's $16 a night for the Riverside view. It's pretty quirky, it is what people say.
Yeah, but we're going to get up early tomorrow and go and check out the best part about this whole place.
What makes this place special.
I think, we'll probably just get some food on and chill for the rest of the day.
See you in the morning, guys. Good morning.
Morning.
What are we doing?
It's a very nice morning. It's a bit chilly.
The sun's literally just about to pop up. Right, it's popped. Got the solar panel on its massive, ridiculous lead. Gonna have a bit of voltage drop, but are you ready?
I'm ready.
Got your towel?
Yeah.
Got your fat suit?
Yeah, I need it today. It's cold.
Let's go see how hot these hot springs are, eh?
Yeah.
Well, they're not hot springs, are
No,
they?
they're not springs. They're like a tub.
I don't know what they are. All I know is they're hot. Let's go. Alrighty, we need jet boil, coffee cups, a random spoon. There's that spoon you're looking for.
Exactly.
Yeah. Alright, how was the hot springs, Megan?
It was really good. Jack said it looked really murky, but it was nice when you were in there.
It's a bit soupy in there.
Well, at least I got it to myself. It wasn't real human soup stewing together.
There was a pretty nice vibe down there.
Yeah.
What are we having?
Usually, like always.
It's funny, we've been eating so healthy, but yet not losing our body fat.
It's because we're not doing any exercise.
It's because you keep buying chocolate.
Well, you need chocolate from time to time.
And I keep buying lollies. But anyway.
Here's the evidence, yeah.
Yeah, right there, look, pods.
I mean, when pods are $2, like, you just have to.
Classic. Sun's coming up, nice and beautifully. We are going to enjoy the morning, and we'll see you when we hit the road again. Actually, we forgot to tell you in this video that we're actually heading home. Mm-hmm. We're heading to Megan's mum's house.
Yeah, we don't actually have a home,
Yeah.
but Perth.
Classic. We're heading to Perth, and we're only 700 kilometres away, and we're a bit devastated, but
So tonight will be our last camp.
tonight's our last camp.
Yeah, we were trying
in
to
the
decide.
Troopy.
There was one that we stopped in last year that we really loved, but it was only an hour from here, so I think we're going to knock out a little bit more driving.
Yeah, I said last
today.
night we'll commit to a 5-hour drive today, so we're closer to Perth tomorrow, so we can surprise Megan's mum.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Plan of attack, and surprise Ollie, our dog. But yeah, might drive 5 hours today. We'll see what happens, and we'll see you on the road. We were just leaving the station, and then I spotted the old tip that they've got here, and there's FJ45s everywhere. Nissan Patrol, Suzuki Sierras, and old school Harry Potter cars, and all kinds of things, eh? Wicked. So we've come in here to check them out and just have a look. They're all just rusting away in the paddock. It's pretty sad, really. They're such nice cars. Look at all of them.
That one's cool.
Look at that.
I would drive that.
That is an old Land Cruiser, eh?
Yeah.
That's like old school. How cool is that? Poor cars, mate. Poor cars. There it is, mate. There is the sign. And there is some traffic lights as well.
Yeah.
And we fell victim to the red rooster. We've eaten
It's so
much
well
food.
strategically placed as soon as you come
As soon
into
as
town.
you come into Geraldton, boom, there's a red rooster.
So Jack decided that he wanted to spend the entire day driving, so that is pretty much what we did today. But it was kind of good though, because instead of staying at just some random lake that we found on Wiki Camps, we've come to the beach that kind of started our whole love of camping. So it's kind of symbolic in a way, I guess you could say.
Yeah, it's one of the best camping and fishing spots north of Perth.
Yeah, it's a Perth secret though, sorry guys.
If you maybe message us on Instagram, we might tell you. But yeah, it's a pretty primo spot. We just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that has subscribed, leaves comments, gives us a thumbs up. It means the world to us.
Yeah, it feels like
Yeah.
we've got a little community, and
Yeah.
especially the people who comment consistently every week. We really feel like you guys are our mates, our
Yeah.
family. It's really funny.
We love it. We never would have thought anything like this would ever happen, and
No.
it's been the best thing that's ever happened to us. We've done 46 or 47 episodes now of A Big Lap of Australia, and it
Even
is
though,
not
yeah, our first lap is technically over, which we're kind of sad about, but also really excited about because it feels like it's the beginning at the same time. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because we've got so many epic adventures planned.
Stay tuned though, we'll see you in the morning. We're going to surprise Megan's mum and we finally get to see our dog.
She thinks we're still in Exmouth, so hopefully it should work out.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy a beer and good night guys.
Nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk, 'cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
We have made it to Megan's mum's house, and who are you more excited to see? Ollie or your mum?
Ollie. Because I can talk to my mum on the phone. I can't talk to Ollie on the phone. Sorry, mum.
We've parked 50 metres away and we are going to call Megan. No, we're going to go knock on the door.
No, we're just going to go knock on the door. We originally had an elaborate plan that Jack's sister was going to come take him for a walk and then she was going to bring Ollie out and that, but hasn't really worked out because she's like, where's Jack's sister? I need to plan my day. So we don't want to annoy her, so we're just going to rock up. I don't know what's going to annoy her more, but
classic. So we're going to go now, guys, and we're going to finally see our dog. All right, guys, here we go. About to knock on the door and surprise Megan's mum.
Ollie's going to bark.
Stay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell?
Surprise! Oh my god, Ollie! Ollie! Hey! Hello! Did you miss us? No! Look how much you cried. Hello, say hello. Hey, come.
He actually missed us. Hi, bunny.
I'm in my pajamas.
Hi.
Well, that worked.
God.
Hello. Thought you'd get more excited than that, mate.
No, he's so excited. Oh, look
He's
at him
crying. Did you miss us? Did you miss us? Hello.
He's shaking.
Minigo. Good boy. Ollie, lay down. Good boy. Now be quiet, Mum and Daddy are talking. What's up, guys? We spent a few days in residential and we didn't like it, so we're back in the outback. Not the outback, but we're back out on a family friend's property. We surprised absolutely everybody that we knew and we had the best time ever, but we just had to get away again, eh?
Yeah.
We had to go adventuring. We
missed the Troopy.
Yeah, we missed the Troopy. It's weird. It's just ingrained in our brain, like our heads now, to just sleep in the Troopy. But yeah, we've come up to a friend's property and we did a lot of driving in this video.
Yeah. We feel like maybe it wasn't a very exciting vlog, so we apologise for that, but I guess in a way we're trying to show the reality of things. And as soon as we knew we could drive home to Ollie in a day, we just sort of smashed it out this episode. So hopefully we still, made a good vlog.
Hey, if you're here till the end, thank you.
We always try our best to make
we do.
like a really good vlog, and as we've said in previous episodes as well, we're really trying this whole YouTube thing, taking it very seriously. So that's why it's sort of bittersweet that our first lap is over, because we're very sad that it's over, but at the same time we're really excited for what the future is going to hold.
There is so much more to come.
Yeah, we've got so many good trips around WA still planned. We have to reconfigure the whole Troopy for Ollie. As you can probably see, he's a big boy, and he's massive. Even the drive up here just then was an absolute disaster. He kept flicking switches and things. And
the fit out's not for Ollie, so there is a whole Troopy build series coming. We're doing the FJ45 build. That's happening. So that hopefully if, we got to go look at it. It's got an old engine in it, so we're not too sure yet, but I'm 89% sure it's happening. I want to make it happen.
Very specific number.
So yeah, we got Troopy build, FJ45 build, a massive bonfire tonight. We'll talk about that next week. But yeah, there's heaps of stuff to come. We're ranting on a lot, but we just want to thank you all for watching our series. It has just been incredible.
It's been amazing.
It's been amazing. And stay tuned for next week, because we're going to show you where we are. And I think that this place is something that's not many people, it's a place that not many people know about.
Yeah, and especially considering it's so close to where we've lived for so many years, and now we've done a whole lap of Australia, and I feel like it's one of the most beautiful places.
Yep, it's up there with some of the nicest places. So stay tuned, guys, and we just want to thank everybody for watching our Big Lap of Australia series.
I can't believe it's over.
It was a big adventure, guys, and we just want to thank you all. We'll see you next week.